Alright, so there's a new chickpea flatbread recipe. This one is an update. And the big change here is you gotta use a food processor. So pardon me, in this red video, I'm using a cheap little hand crank food processor. But you, at home, you could just use your whatever normal electric food processor. It's gonna work even better. So the trick here is to add the flour. I just add that flour by eye, and then I use sea moss to bind it. But you could probably use water. I've used water with other flours, but I always use sea moss gel for this flour, and I usually use sea moss gel. Anyway, you know the texture. I always know the texture is perfect when it starts to bead up. So after I open my food processor, I'll see little beads of flour, like little ball bearings, tiny little round ball bearings. But you don't want them to be, you don't want them to be too small, like little flakes, right? You want them to be a little bit bigger ball bearings. But you don't want the flour to start to come together. That's when it's too sticky. All right, so you'll see what I'm saying. And then when you toast it on a low heat in a pan. Toast both sides just to get both sides toasted, but the inside still has moisture, right? And then you put it directly on top of the fire, and then it expands and puffs up. All right. And if you don't want to put it directly on the fire, you can just toast it in your pan on a high heat, and you can just toast it like that. Press it down with a spatula. All right. So come on.
Got it?
All right, go ahead, show it, flip it. Nice, all right, just let it, give us a shot, backside. There you go, lay it down.